Before buying a grow room air conditioner, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. The real buyers are definitely talking about how not every unit can handle the humidity and heat that comes with serious plant growth. Product number 1, Black Plus Decker Portable AC. First up is the Black Plus DECKER Portable Air Conditioner, priced at $299.99. This caught my attention because it's a bestseller and promises a 3-in-1 function as an air conditioner, dehumidifier, and fan. If you want a reliable unit to keep your grow room cool and comfortable, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a cooling capacity of 9,000 BTU, this unit can efficiently cool rooms up to 400 square feet, which is crucial for larger grow spaces. Plus, the Follow Me remote feature means you can control the temperature from anywhere in the room, ensuring your plants are always at their optimal temperature. It also has a 5-star energy rating, which is a big plus for keeping those energy bills in check. Now, some people complained about it being a bit noisy. Here's the thing though, while it does produce sound, it's comparable to a fan, so if you're used to some background noise, it's not really a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have a medium-sized grow room and need a versatile unit. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra quiet or have a smaller space. Now, if the noise factor bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Frigidaire Window AC. Next, we have the Frigidaire 6000 BTU window air conditioner, retailing at $176.99. It caught my eye due to its low price and quiet operation. If you're managing a smaller grow room, this could be a solid choice. This unit can cool a space up to 250 square feet and operates at just 52 dBA, making it super quiet. It features customizable cooling settings and an eco mode that saves energy while keeping your plants comfortable. The clean filter alert is handy, reminding you when it's time to clean it up, ensuring your environment remains healthy for your plants. However, some users mention it struggles a bit in extremely hot conditions. Now, here's the thing, if you're in a region that doesn't experience too much heat, this won't be a problem for you. But if you're in a high heat area, you might want something more powerful. This is perfect for you if you have a small grow room and want to save on energy costs. Skip this one if you need something that can handle extreme temperatures. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger spaces. Product number 3, Fef Fun Portable AC. The Fef Fun 8000 BTU portable air conditioner is next, priced at $199.98. I was impressed by its 3-in-1 design, making it a great all-rounder for your grow room. This unit cools spaces up to 350 square feet efficiently, removing up to 45 pints of moisture per day, which is super important for maintaining a healthy environment for your plants. The remote control and LED display make it easy to adjust settings without interrupting your workflow. Plus, it operates quietly under 48 dBA, which is ideal for those sensitive plants. On the downside, some reviews mention that the water tank might need frequent emptying. Here's the thing though, if you're growing in a humid area, that's just part of the deal. The moisture removal can actually be a benefit in those situations. This is perfect for you if you need a portable unit that can handle both cooling and dehumidifying. Skip this one if you prefer a unit that doesn't require any maintenance. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power, the next product might just be what you need. Product number 4, EUMY Portable AC. Next up is the EUMY Portable Air Conditioner, which has a powerful 10,000 BTU capacity and is priced at $219.99. I was drawn to its multifunctionality, as it can cool, dehumidify, and even act as a fan. This unit is capable of cooling spaces up to 450 square feet, which is perfect for larger setups. The built-in 24-hour timer is a great feature for energy savings, allowing you to customize your cooling schedule. However, some users found the installation to be a bit tricky. Here's the thing, once you figure it out, the setup is quick and easy, and the benefits far outweigh the initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you have a larger grow area and want a powerful, multifunctional unit. Skip this one if you're looking for a simple, no-fuss installation. Alright, that brings us to our last product, which promises a pretty impressive performance as well. Product number 5, Garvey Portable AC. Finally, we have the Garvey 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner, priced at $282.99. What caught my attention here is its capacity to cool larger spaces effectively. This unit can cool up to 750 square feet, making it ideal for extensive grow rooms. It combines cooling, dehumidifying, and fan functions, delivering powerful performance. The Follow Me feature adjusts the temperature based on where you are in the room, which is a thoughtful touch that guarantees your plants get the ideal conditions. One downside is the energy consumption, which is higher at around 923 kilowatt hours a year. Now, here's the thing: if you're prioritizing performance over cost, this could be worth it for you, especially in larger grow spaces. This is perfect for you if you have a sizable grow room and want a robust unit that can handle high demands. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or have a smaller area to cool. In conclusion, we've covered some solid options today, from the Black Plus Decker's versatility to the Garvey's power. Each has its strengths depending on your grow room needs. To wrap it up, the Black Plus Decker is fantastic for versatile use. The Frigidaire is budget-friendly for smaller spaces. The Fef Fun offers great moisture control. The EUMY is powerful for larger areas, and the Garvey is the heavy hitter for extensive setups. Each one has its own niche, so think about what you need most in your grow room.